Today, we're kicking off an exciting new series, Top Trending Open Source GitHub Projects this week. Part 1, we're diving deep into some truly groundbreaking AI and software initiatives that are reshaping how we build, communicate, and innovate. From transforming websites into AI hubs with WebMCP and empowering secure team communication with Rocket.Chat to revolutionizing AI model development with Oumi and bringing powerful LLMs to your phone with Cactus Compute. We'll explore what makes each project a game changer.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, WebMCP, bringing the power of MCP to the web. Today, we're excited to introduce WebMCP, a game-changing tool that transforms any website into a native AI tool hub. Yes, right in your browser. What makes WebMCP truly unique is its ability to embed a Model Context Protocol MCP server directly into web pages. This means AI agents can interact with web apps using structured JSON RPC tools instead of relying on screen scraping or brittle DOM hack. Why does that matter? Traditional AI integration with web apps often demands complicated OAuth flows, API key storage, or heavy engineering effort. WebMCP sidesteps all of that by leveraging existing browser authentication, cookies, sessions, and permissions, so there's zero new setup for users. Essentially, when you're logged into a site, any AI assistant gains secure, session-level access to the toolset that site openly exposes. Another standout is its precision and reliability. Unlike bots that click buttons based on visual cues, WebMCP provides AI with clearly defined tool functions, for example, create invoice or add to-do, complete with structured input types and return values. These tools feel native to the page and can work across multiple web apps for complex workflows. From a developer's perspective, adding WebMCP is surprisingly easy. You install the transport and MCP SDK, typically under 50 lines of code, and instantly transform your site into a secure, AI-ready backend that respects browser sandboxing and same origin rules. In summary, WebMCP is the missing link between powerful AI agents and real-world web applications. It's zero-config, secure, structured, and browser-native, making WebMCP a must-have tool for anyone building the next generation of AI web integrations. Project number 2, Rocket.Chat secure open-source comms for teams and enterprises. We're exploring what makes Rocket.Chat stand out in the crowded field of team chat platforms, perfect for your next YouTube spotlight. First off, Rocket.Chat is more than just another chat app. It's a fully open-source communication platform that puts data sovereignty and customization front and center. You can self-host it anywhere on-premise, in the cloud, or even in air-gapped high-security environments, and you retain complete control over your data and encryption. But the real magic lies in its modular and extensible architecture. Rocket.Chat offers a rich apps engine, APIs, and webhook, letting you build or install integrations in days, not months. Whether you want to automate tasks, integrate CRM systems, or deploy AI-powered bots, the flexibility is unmatched. This adaptability makes it a perfect fit for diverse use cases, from team collaboration to customer support and beyond. Security is another major highlight. With enterprise-grade encryption, E2DEE, advanced access controls, compliance-focused logs, and self-managed deployments, Rocket.Chat is trusted by governments, militaries, and financial institutions to protect critical conversations. Rocket.Chat also goes beyond chat. It includes voice and video calls via VoIP, in-app file sharing, and even privacy-first AI features, all unified on one platform. Especially with version 7.x, they've embraced integrated calling and sovereign AI, making collaboration seamless and secure. Another standout is federation support. You can connect to other servers or even third-party platforms like Slack or Teams, enabling cross-organization collaboration without losing control. In short, Rocket.Chat is unique because it's open source, fully customizable, secure, and enterprise-ready. It's not just a chat app, it's a communications platform that adapts to any organization's needs, from small teams to global institutions. Project number 3, a fully open-source, end-to-end platform for foundation models. We're exploring Fold, a game-changing open-source platform that makes training, evaluating, and deploying advanced AI models way easier and truly open. So what makes Oumi unique? Let's dive in. First up, Oumi is built around radical openness. Unlike other open models that only share weight, Oumi gives you everything. model code, training pipelines, and even the data. This transparency isn't just buzz, it's grounded in a mission fueled by ex-Googlers and ex-Apple engineers who believe AI needs its Linux moment. But that's just the start. One platform, total control. Oumi brings together every stage of the model lifecycle, data prep, fine-tuning, evaluation, inference, and deployment into a single, consistent CLI and API. No more stitching together multiple tools and messy workflows. The result? You can run experiments on your laptop, then seamlessly scale up to clusters or the cloud without changing your code. What about advanced tuning? Oumi includes state-of-the-art methods like LoRa, QLoRa, SFT, and DPO right out of the box, supporting model sizes from tens of millions to hundreds of billions of parameters. And yes, it handles both text and vision language models like Llama 4, Qwen, and Phi with just one platform. Next is built-in data curation and hallucination checks. Oumi includes LLM-based judges to clean your training data, and even features Halloumi, a lightweight hallucination detection model with sentence-level citations, designed to keep your outputs accurate. Finally, no lock-in, full flexibility. It integrates popular inference engines like VLLM and SJLang, supports distributed training, FSDP, DDP, and runs anywhere your laptop, clusters, or AWS/GCP Lambda. It's Apache 2.0 licensed, open to the community, and designed to evolve with contributions. In short, Oumi isn't just another tool, it's a full AI development ecosystem built on openness, scalability, and cutting-edge technique. If you want to build foundation models without vendor lock-in, with trust and transparency, Oumi might just be your go-to platform. Project number 4. Cactus Compute. Run LLMs, VLMs, and TTS entirely on your mobile device. We're spotlighting Cactus Compute, a super versatile, lightweight AI framework that empowers developers to run powerful large language models, LLMs, vision language models, VLMs, embeddings, and even text-to-speech directly on mobile devices like smartphones and wearables. So what makes Cactus truly unique? First off, Cactus is local first. That means your AI runs completely offline. Zero data leaves your device, making it ideal for users who care about privacy or find themselves in areas with poor internet connectivity. It boasts hardware-aware optimizations and proprietary kernels to ensure low latency, even on resource-constrained devices, delivering first token times under 50 millimers and processing hundreds of tokens per second. Another standout is its unified cross-platform APIs. Whether you're coding in Flutter, React Native, or Kotlin/++, the interfaces and capabilities remain consistent. No surprises as you switch platforms. From context windows to chat templates and token streaming, Cactus puts all the tools you need in one place. Then there's model flexibility. Supporting any GGUF model from Qwen and Gemma to Llama and DeepSeek, it allows you to pick precision levels from full FP32 down to ultra-compact 2-bit quantizations. This means you can fine-tune your app's memory use, speed, and accuracy for your exact target device. Beyond working offline, Cactus also offers smart cloud fallback. If a task is too heavy for the device, it can shift to the cloud seamlessly, either as a backup or primary mode. This hybrid design guarantees reliability whether you're online or off. Finally, it includes MCP tool calls and Jinja 2-powered chat templates, making it easier than ever to build intelligent features like reminders, gallery searches, or message replies, all part of its powerful mobile AI toolkit. To sum it up, Cactus Compute stands out by combining true on-device privacy, cross-platform consistency, model flexibility, performance-first design, and cloud fallback safety. If you're building the next gen of mobile AI chatbots, visual tools, or voice assistants, Cactus gives you everything you need, offline, fast, and private. Project number 5, OpenCut. Simple, powerful, and privacy-first video editing across web, desktop, and mobile. We're diving into OpenCut, a fresh open-source alternative to CapCut that's making waves. What really makes OpenCut unique? First and foremost, privacy. Unlike many editors that upload your footage, OpenCut processes everything locally on your device, whether you're in a browser, on desktop, or mobile, so your videos stay yours. Next, let's talk accessibility and transparency. CapCut has started gating basic editing tools behind paywalls, but OpenCut gives you timeline-based editing, multi-track layers, and real-time previews, all completely free with no hidden subscriptions or watermarks. That means you can drag, trim, animate, and overlay clips without surprise fees or branding stamps. But that's not all. Under the hood, OpenCut is built with modern tools, a Next.js web front-end, React components, custom hooks, and Zustand state management, all in TypeScript. What's more, behind the scenes, you can spin up PostgreSQL and Redis via Docker for robust backend support. So this isn't just a toy, it's a real scalable editor framework. Even more impressive, a minimalist yet powerful architecture. Everything from UI to logic is modular and clean, making it easy for developers to contribute features like new transitions, text effects, or mobile-specific tools. So why is OpenCut a game changer? Because it puts control, privacy, and open collaboration front and center. You've got professional-grade editing tools, zero paywalls, and transparent open-source code that anyone can tweak or extend. That's what makes OpenCut stand out. Not just another editor, but a fully open, community-driven alternative to CapCut's restricted play. Project number 6, Biomedical, a general-purpose biomedical AI agent. We're spotlighting Biomedical, an open-source biomedical AI agent from Stanford that's changing how scientists do research. What makes Biomedical stand out? Instead of relying on generic language model outputs, it comes preloaded with a rich toolkit, 150 specialized tools, 105 software packages, and 59 biomedical databases, all seamlessly integrated into one unified action space. So rather than hope a generic LLM can cobble together the right steps, Biomedical has ready-made tools tailored for tasks like gene prioritization, CRISPR screen planning, single-cell RNA-seq annotation, drug repurposing, and more. Here's the magic. Biomedical combines retrieval-augmented planning with intelligent tool selection and code execution. You describe a research goal, say plan a CRISPR screen to identify T-cell exhaustion genes, and Biomedical's agent picks the appropriate biomedical tools, writes and runs code, processes data, adapts its plan as it learns, and even iterates on unexpected findings. This dynamic, code-driven workflow helps ensure the analysis is both reproducible and transparent, complete with real code and traceable tool use. Benchmarks show Biomedical rivals or surpasses human experts in DBQA and SEQA tasks. It achieved around 74 to 82% accuracy, on par with or better than domain experts. It's also proven capable in real-world scenarios, analyzing wearable data or large-scale RNA-seq sets in 10-step pipelines autonomously. What sets Biomedical truly apart is this synergy: a curated biomedical toolkit, LLM reasoning, and real code execution chained into flexible pipelines. That combination bridges the gap between smart-looking answers and actual executable science-grade results. Plus, it's collaborative. Community contributions fuel new tools, datasets, benchmarks, and next-gen versions like Biomedical E2. In short, Biomedical isn't just another chatbot for scientists. It's a full-blown autonomous research assistant. When you need a biomedical plan that actually runs, adapts, and delivers real insights, it's a game changer. Project number 7, Google Test. Google's C++ testing and mocking framework. Today we're exploring Google Test, or GTest, a powerful C++ testing and mocking framework that brings reliability and clarity to your codebase. What sets Google Test apart is its comprehensive XUnit style architecture, offering automatic test discovery, so developers don't have to manually register each test case. This means you just write tests and GTest finds and runs them. Another standout feature is its rich assertion library, including everything from simple equality checks to advanced matchers, and even user-defined predicates that deliver clear, descriptive failure messages. This makes debugging so much smoother because you get precise feedback on what went wrong. Google Test also supports death tests, allowing you to verify that code handling errors exits appropriately, crucial for validating resilience in failure modes. You can test edge cases like signals, aborts, and exception scenarios with confidence. For flexibility, it offers both fatal and non-fatal failure controls, so your test suite can continue after non-critical issues or stop when something truly breaks. Pair that with parameterized tests, both value and type-based, and you can run the same test logic across multiple cases or data types effortlessly. Need speed? Google Test allows parallel test execution and offers sharding to split tests across machines, ideal for CI pipelines. Plus, with GitHub's robust cross-platform support and continuous releases like version 1.17, it stays modern and reliable. In short, Google Test is unique because it combines ease of use, expressive checks, powerful failure controls, and scalable performance. Whether you're debugging, testing failure cases, or running massive test suites, Test gives you clarity, control, and efficiency, all wrapped in a widely trusted open-source package, perfect for any serious C++ developer. Project number 8, LMCache. Supercharge your LLM inference. We're exploring LMCache, an open-source tool that makes large language model LLM inference faster and smarter. What sets LMCache apart is its ability to store and reuse KV cache, the internal key-value pairs generated during token processing across GPU, CPU, and disk. That means when your LLM processes recurring or long dialogue, LMCache skips the recompute and instantly retrieves the cached result. This drastically cuts time to first token TTFT and slashes GPU usage by 3 bis 10 kais in real scenarios like multi-round QA, retrieval augmented generation, and chat scenarios. But that's just the start. LMCache is deeply integrated with leading LLM engines like VLLM, offering features like CPU offloading, disaggregated prefill, and peer-to-peer cache sharing between instances. This allows the tool to scale seamlessly across servers and multiple GPUs, even sharing contexts across different sessions. It's not just for text either. Recent updates bring support for vision language models, caching image embedding KV pairs to speed up multimodal inference from around 18 seconds to just 1 second. What makes LMCache truly unique is its multi-tiered storage strategy. It prioritizes GPU memory, then spills over to CPU RAM, local disk, and even networked stores like Redis or Mooncake Store. So you get massive cache capacity without maxing out your GPU. In practice, OpenAI scale applications see real-world boosts, blazing throughput, low latency under load, and a dramatic drop in recomputation costs. So if you're building chatbots, RAG systems, or any LLM-driven apps with long context or repetitive prompts, LMCache is a game changer. It's like giving your model a brain boost. Compute once, save it smartly, and reuse forever. That's LMCache, blazing fast inference with zero wasted effort. Project number 9, OpenSearch AI, a personalized AI search engine. We're diving into OpenSearch AI, a project that brings a whole new twist to AI-powered search. It's not just smart, it adapts to you. Think of it like your personal search buddy, but way more powerful. What makes this tool unique is its ability to learn about your interests over time. Every time you browse or search, OpenSearch AI remembers and adapts, giving you answers that feel tailor-made. It's kind of like having a mini version of Perplexity or Search GPT, but personalized just for you. Now, the secret sauce behind this magic is its integration with Supermemory's auto memory system. Instead of just spitting out generic results, it stores helpful context from your past searches and interactions. So the next time you ask a question, it uses your memory to provide more relevant, context-aware answers. Imagine asking a follow-up question, and it already knows your vibe from the last one. That's powerful continuity. It's also built on top of a slick modern stack, Vercel AI ADK, Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and even includes globe animation from Kobe. That means not only does OpenSearch AI work smart, but it looks great and feels snappy too. It's not just a back-end engine, it's a fully interactive, responsive web app experience. Another standout feature is its decentralized, durable, object-powered backend, which ensures your personalized memory storage stays fast and reliable across sessions. Plus, it's open source, so you can peek under the hood, contribute, or self-host if you want full control. So in today's video, we'll showcase how OpenSearch AI adapts with you, demonstrates its sleek UI, and explore why personalization plus real-time memory plus AI search is the trifecta that makes this tool truly unique. Stick around as we test it live on screen and see if it really gets you. Project number 10, OpenCode, the AI coding agent in your terminal. We're highlighting OpenCode, a truly unique open-source AI coding companion that lives right inside your terminal. What sets OpenCode apart? First off, it's built with a native themable terminal user interface. TUI, no clunky GUIs here. You get a sleek, responsive experience that fits into your shell like it was always meant to be. Next, OpenCode is model agnostic, meaning you can plug in over 75 plus AI models, whether it's OpenAI's GPT-4, Google Gemini, Anthropic Claude, local models, or others, all through models.dev. You're not forced into a single ecosystem, ultimate freedom and flexibility. One standout feature is automatic LSP integration, so OpenCode understands your code just like your favorite editor. That means fewer errors and smarter suggestions because it knows the structure and semantics of your code base. This makes it superior to other terminal AI tools like Claude Code or Gemini CLI, which lack deep code awareness. Collaboration is a breeze with multi-session support and shareable session links, You can run several AI agents in parallel on the same project and even share your exact session context via a link, perfect for code reviews, debugging, or team problem solving. OpenCode also goes beyond chat. It can execute commands, modify code, and auto-commit changes. In fact, it can stage code fixes and generate co-author commit messages automatically, turning your AI into a real coding partner that ships code. Finally, it's 100% open source, letting you inspect, modify, or extend every part of it. No vendor lock-in, no closed borders. So to recap, OpenCode is uniquely powerful because it combines a beautiful terminal UI, model freedom, smart code understanding, collaboration tools, workflow automation, and open source transparency. If you're serious about efficient, immersive, and AI-powered coding directly in the terminal, OpenCode is a game changer you'll want to try. And that wraps up part 1 of our look at this week's top trending open source projects. We've seen how tools like OpenCode are democratizing video editing, how Biomni is accelerating biomedical research, and more. If you found this insightful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into cutting-edge tech, and let me know in the comments which project excited you the most. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore even more innovative open source solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.